What's up? Welcome to another video. In this video we are here at the office a little early. Today is the first farm day of 2023 and we're having it in Monterey, so it's a little bit of a trip, a lot of traffic early in the morning, but we're just getting everything set up. Raul and Tirsa will be doing the talking this time, talking to the kids, teaching them about mosquitoes. Now Candy set this up so that kids all over Monterey County have a chance to come to either King City, Monterey, or a spot in Salinas and learn about the things that are going on here in Monterey County, from agriculture to farm animals to mosquitoes. So we're getting ready to head out. We're going to get everything in the truck and we're just going to get on the road. So let's go check it out.
Hi, we're here at the Monterey Farm Day. We're going to be talking to the local school district and the children about what we do for the county and how we help public health.
First class is here, we're about to get started, so we'll see if we're going to have a great day or not.
So we've just gone through one group of 5 classes. It went pretty good. All of them seemed pretty excited to be able to learn about something that they could find in their backyards. And it's nice to be able to just let people know about something so important in public health.
Kids are great.
Alright, so that's it for Farm Day here in Monterey. Raul and Tirsa had about 15 classes. How'd it go?
Went pretty well, honestly. Up and down we had some really great questions. A little bit of drift from the kids at the end, but I think they were just getting tired. But
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up for the audience, honestly. Hopefully 2 thumbs up for the presenters.
Oh, you guys did a good job. And after today, we're going to go back into our zones, and we got some mosquitoes to take care of. So, till next time, take it easy.
Alright, I'm going to be 100% real right now. Good morning. We're here at Monterey County Fair.
It's freezing.
Farm Day.
It's so cold.
Yeah. So what are we doing, Tirsa?
We're unloading.
What are we unloading?
Yeah, we're unloading our wonderful tent that's going to cover us.
Did you plan to match with the tent?
No, but I'm glad I did.